Hello, good morning students. Meena Coaching Center, Chennai welcomes all of you. Today we are going to discuss a mathematics question. It is the chapter is determinants, an easy chapter. So we will now take up and see the question now. This is the question. The value of alpha is given here, for which the 3 by 3 determinant 1 3 by 2 alpha plus 3 by 2 1 by 3 alpha plus 1 by 3 2 alpha plus 3 3 alpha plus 1 0 equal to 0. So they are asking you the value of alpha, but in the interval, which interval the value of alpha lies. Choice A, open interval minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Choice 2, open interval minus 3 comma 0. Choice 3, open interval 0 comma 3. Choice 4, open interval minus 2 comma 1. So we will take up this question, how to solve this. Actually, if you expand the determinant, you get a quadratic equation and solve it, you get the answer. From that you can determine which interval. It is very easy. It is not, it is a C grade problem. A grade is untouchable, very, very difficult. B grade manageable, but not very easy or very tough. And C grade easy problem. This is a C grade problem because the chapter determinant is a easy chapter. So if you know the method how to solve the determinant, then it is an easy thing. Now we manipulate the determinant before solving it. C3 column 3 gives C3 minus alpha C1 plus C2. This is a manipulation. So that gives you the new determinant 1 3 by 2 0 1 by 3 0 2 alpha plus 3 3 alpha plus 1 minus 2 alpha squared plus 6 alpha plus 1 equal to 0. Here in the column 3 we have two zeros. So it is easy to expand the determinant by basing column 3. So if you do that, then finally you get a quadratic equation 7 by 6 into 2 alpha squared plus 6 alpha plus 1 equal to 0. If you solve this, you can either factorize and solve it, or factorization is not possible. You can use the quadratic equation formula. The roots of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is given by the formula minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So if you apply that, then you get alpha is minus 3 plus root 7 whole divided by 2 minus 3 minus root 7 whole divided by 2. Now for finding out the interval, what is root 7? Root 7 is 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So it should be in between 2 and 3. So if you calculate that and apply here, then you get choice 3 as the correct answer. What is choice 3? Choice 3 is minus 3 comma 0. So that is the answer. Now I give you a shortcut method. You can explore this. This could prove to be easier than what we have discussed. Now out of all the choices, a number line I have drawn from minus infinity to plus infinity. This left hand side extreme is minus infinity, right hand side extreme is plus infinity. Now the choices are minus 2 comma 1, minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2, 0 comma 3. This minus 2 comma 1, see here it is extending. This is number line minus 2. Then this is 1. So minus 2 to 1. Minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 is here. 0 is here. Midpoint. Then minus 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 to this is 3 by 2. Then 0 comma 3. 0 to 3. 0. Here if you see, it is a single choice question. This minus 3 comma 0, certain areas here, minus 3 to minus 2, they are unique. There are no other choices overlap that. And a similar thing is found here also. Green color one. Here 0 to 3. From 3 by 2 to 3, you have unique. No other thing overlapping is there. So by trial and error, you can put some value between -3 and -2. So I suggest -1. Alpha as -1. Whether that satisfies. Or here 3 by 2 to 3. 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 to 3. You can put something like 2. You can put it. So like that, if you test, you will find -3, 0 is the correct answer. This is a shortcut method. You can go by anyway. What method we have discussed here, determinant solving, that itself is an easy method. Determinant expansion and solving a quadratic equation are not very tough things. So you can do like that. So I hope all the students have understood this. And now I wind up the class. Next class will be a physics class. And physics class, we take up a tricky question and find out the solution. Don't miss the class. So Meena Coaching Center, Chennai wishes you all the best. Bye.